Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm starting with a full beat face. I don't ever do this, you know, I usually start with like no makeup on, but I really wanted to show you all the completed look. Some people asked me to recreate this look. I have pictures of it on my Instagram page, so I'm finally recreating it for you guys. In the look that I did, my hair was like up in a high one in a high ponytail with like tresses flowing down. I do have my Diana Ross vibes going on right now, but I think it'll still look really good for the look. Although I'm recreating a look that I did before, I think this look would be great for a Christmas party, like a Christmas gathering. It's so dramatic, and to me it screams Christmas still because it's like gold glitter, shimmery lips. So I really hope you enjoy this tutorial, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you'd like to see how I achieved this look, then please keep on watching. So guys, I don't know if you noticed a change, but we are using natural light 100%, so the light may dip in and out. I am currently back in Trinidad and Tobago. Well, just Trinidad. Tin Man vibes. But okay, so time to dive into these eyes. I want to go into my Jaclyn Hill palette. The transition shade will be I think I want to take like these and yellow, like this and this. When I initially did this eyeshadow look, I didn't know how to do cut creases on my eyes, so I didn't do a cut crease, but I will be doing a cut crease today because it would have been better if I did a cut crease that day because the glitter was transferring onto my lid. So I really wish I did one, but I didn't, so I'm gonna do a cut crease today. So the other shade, I'm gonna go down a little darker. I'm gonna pick this one. These probably aren't the exact colors I use, but the result will be pretty similar. It was just basically a dark crease with gold glitter, nothing too special. I want to pack in a really dark brown shade into my crease. I mean, I usually use my like little short dance brush for that, and I want to take like a dark brown, maybe like this one right here. Although we're placing this brown into our crease, we want to place it kind of high because when I do a cut crease, you probably wouldn't see the brown. So we are taking it a little higher than usual because you already know my eyelids are pretty big, so my cut creases are like huge. Once we have this shape, just want to blend out the edges. Now I'm going to take a clean blending brush, it's tiny as well, and just diffuse the edge of this brown. Actually, I'm diving into my Morphe Dare to Create palette. I'm taking the shade Muse, which is this very deep black shade, very black. My good old faithful Photo Focus concealer by WetnWild in the shade Medium Peach, and now I'll look up, and that mark is where I want to start cutting my crease. You know, this is a tedious part, so I cannot talk, but I'm using my WetnWild brush. I'm using something I have in my hand and just trying to like really carve this crease out and like do a good job. This gold pigment from LA Colors. Got this in your dollar store and it's really good. It reminds me a lot of Trophy Wife from Fenty Beauty, and I'm just gonna take a flat brush and just apply this to the crease. I'll probably spray my brush as well, so I'll spray my brush. Oop, that was really wet. This is just like a base for the glitter, so. We'll fix this situation in a bit, don't worry. This gold glitter I have in this little pot and my liquid glitter, and I'm using my same concealer brush to pack this glitter onto my eyes. So I'm gonna do my other eye off camera. I'm gonna apply some liquid liner with my WetnWild liquid liner, just some bold wings, and I'll be right back to add lashes and complete my bottom lashes and complete my bottom lash line. BRB. Okay, we are back. So I have my liner on, and for lashes today I'm using these fabulous lashes right here. These lashes are from There You Glow TT. She sent me 2 lashes to try, so I decided I would like to use this pair in the video today. This packaging is gorgeous. It's so nice. It's like a diamond or something. I just love how they look, but I never tried these lashes before, so I'm so excited to try it. Yeah, I don't think I need to cut them, so I'm gonna put some black in my waterline. While we're waiting for the lashes to dry, I think I'll just go in and smoke out my bottom lash line. I want to take the same shades I used on top for my bottom lash line, so I'm taking I'll start with a darker shade, this one. go ham on my bottom lash line because these lashes are so fluffy and gorgeous. I'm gonna do the other eye, and oh my gosh, look at the comparison. Like, this is like that. Okay, I'm gonna do the other eye and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so we are back. Lashes are on, the eyes are complete. I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like this look calls for more highlight, and yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Let me hurry up because I'm sweating. So I take more of this highlight and we're putting it on our face. Yeah! The lips I did was my usual lip. I was just lying with the brown. Then my NYX soft matte lip cream in the shade Can. And my Tarte lip paint in the shade Obvi, I think will be VI. If I want it even glossier, I can go in with my NK makeup lip gel. This is with vitamin E, and put this over the top just to get even glossier. Oh, this feels so soft. My lips feel like pillows. Okay guys, so this is the completed look. No, don't look at my hand, I have gel on my hands. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this chaotic video. As I said, I'm back in Trinidad, so yes, I'm taking makeup bookings and hair bookings. If you want this hair, you can just message me or DM me on Instagram. I'll post my Instagram handle. But at the end, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye guys.